Italian hospital employee accused of skipping work for 15 years.
Is that really the employee's fault at that point?
That's 15 years. Not 15 days, not 1.5 years. That's 15 years. The man is alleged to have stopped turning up to work at the Ciaccio Hospital in the southern city of Catanzaro in 2005. How crazy is that?
With full pay.
He stopped turning up to work in 2005. I didn't even have a YouTube channel in 2005.
Yeah.
And that's when he stopped going to work. He's now being investigated for fraud, extortion, and abuse of office. He was reportedly paid 464,000 euros.
Wow.
No. 538,000 euros in total over the years. He was thought to have been working. 6 managers at the hospital are also being investigated in connection with the alleged absenteeism. See, that's just corruption at that point, right?
Oh, so he had people in on it.
I don't know. Allegedly, the arrests are the result of a lengthy police investigation into absenteeism and suspected fraud in the Italian public sector. So people, I guess, had techniques and ways.
So I guess he got caught and he needs to pay it back and he's in prison and all that
I think the
stuff.
story is, how did he get away with it for that long?
So here's another piece. The police have also accused him of threatening his manager to stop her from filing a disciplinary report against him. So he go make the threats as well. I am at work right now. Aren't I?
That's so
She's like,
crazy.
no, you haven't been here in 15 years. I am there. I'm on the phone, I am there, right? She's like, geez, what's this guy going to do? The
You think I can
manager...
get away with this?
You?
not show
15 years. That manager later retired, and his ongoing absence was never noticed by her successor or human resources. Weird. So then that manager leaves, and
Also, it was like turnover.
obviously
yeah.
very sketchy situation, and he's still receiving a paycheck and not being there. I don't know. This kind of stuff must go on all the time, but I read the headline, and I just couldn't help but pause on it.
It's a good headline.
15 years is, it's a long time.
Yeah, yeah.